Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to take your vibe coded project or site, which is gonna look like this. As you can see, it's fully vibe coded. It's honestly kinda garbage, but we're gonna take this and make it less vibe coded and even better using one simple trick, which is this, the impeccable skill. So let's go to our anti-gravity. As you can see, I just gave it a simple prompt. Hey, build me a landing page, and it did it. And as you saw, the result was it's clearly vibe coded. So what do we do now? Open a new terminal and paste this command. I'm using OpenCode as a provider, so if you have a different provider, just use a different one like Cloud Code or whatever, but I'm using OpenCode, so just do this, paste this command. You can pause to read it. Let's go with yes, and it's installer, and it's done. And if done correctly, you'll see this. It will tell you to write /impeccable init in your AI harness, which in this case should be open code. So let's open it in a new terminal. Once we're in open code, just open your session. I have my session ready, so let's go to our previous one, which is this one. Yep. And we have to paste the init command that it gave us, impeccable /init. Just take this, copy this, and go back to open code. Just paste this here, and it will do all of this. So yeah, let's do its own thing. It will ask you a couple of questions about the project, but since this is a demonstration project, we'll do whatever. So let me answer those. So I answered those, so just confirm. After it's done, all you need is just one command. If you already have a site, just do this /impeccable polish, and it will polish it up. So let's see the magic work. And it's done, guys. As you can see, this is the changes it polished up. From what I can see, it looks very professional. So let's open it up and see how it is. It's more polished up. As you can see, there are hovers now, which didn't used to exist, but it can be better. Come on, guys. This isn't a real showcase. So I went back here and I told it I expected something better, to be honest. And it gave me some couple options. Let's go with the first one. And we'll let do redesign do its own magic. And it's done, guys. Now this is a redesign. This is what I was expecting in the first place. Well, to be fair, polish is just like the name, polish. It polishes up what already exists. In terms of redesign, it did wonderful. So if we go open code here, as you can see, it did a whole lot of things. It was extensive, to say the least, but the end result is amazing. Look at the animations, look at how smooth it goes. So let's refresh. So the animations reset. Look at them. Look at them. Now this is amazing. This is the impeccable skill, how to take your vibe coded app or website and make it less vibe coded and sell. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. Goodbye.